Hey teachers! In my last video, I shared some idioms, activities, games, and resources. And in this video, we're doing more idiom-related games and activities with super cool sites. Let's go! Our first activity is giving advice from stickyball.net. This site arranges the idioms alphabetically, so every worksheet includes several idioms that start with the same letter, in this case A, with explanations along with a review exercise in which the students use the idioms to give advice. And this is the bit where my students and I enjoy very much. And it's actually the part where students get the full use and meaning of the idiom. It's either I let the students work in pairs or groups. The link to this website is in the description. Our second resource is an idiom quiz on englishclub.com. When I tell my students that we're having a quiz, they freak out. But that's part of the fun. I'm evil. Anyway, so as you can see, we got different topics. Let's choose food, because who hates food? Here we have 10 questions, and what I like to do is I divide the entire class into 2 teams, and the teams take turns answering the questions one by one. With every right answer, the team gets a point. However, this isn't the end of the quiz. When we're done with that quiz, I write down all of the idioms on cards and I choose one student from the first team, usually the quiet student who didn't participate much in their team discussion. Again, I'm evil, I'm sorry. So this student picks one card, and if they explain what the idiom means correctly, their team gets 5 points. No pressure. And then we move to the second team. Another student picks a card, explains it, gets the 5 points, or gets nothing, and so on. Because we're talking about idioms, I prefer to provide the students with the idioms explanations, and you can find them if you go back to idioms and just choose your topic from the list here. You can play this game online, or as the site suggests, you can also print this quiz on paper. The link is in the description. Our last game for today is a baamboozle game. It's actually one of the best games for idioms because it focuses on idioms that we probably use every day. The game provides the idiom only, so students have to guess what it means based on what they read, which is unfair. So I put it in a very simple example sentence to help them out. I guess I'm not that evil after all. Then finally, I reveal the meaning. The link is down below. That's pretty it. If you need more games and resources, make sure to check my previous video. I'll keep it in the description. Thanks a million, teachers, for being here.